You can practice 100 mock interviews. But here's one question. Has anyone ever told you how you actually come across in front of an interview board? Do you speak too fast? Do you pause too often? Do you sound confident? Or do you hesitate while answering? If no one has ever told you these things, then you've been practicing blindly. And that's the reality for most UPSC aspirants. They spend months preparing for prelims. They work even harder for mains. But when they finally reach the interview stage, there's hardly anyone who can honestly tell them, how did I actually perform? That's exactly the problem Persona Play was built to solve. It's not just another mock interview tool. It's an AI-powered interview platform that analyzes how you speak, how you think, and how you present yourself, and gives you honest, personalized feedback after every practice session. Getting started is simple. First, choose the language you'd like to answer in. Then select whether you're a fresher or a repeater. Decide how many questions you'd like to practice. Choose the topics you want to focus on, or simply go with a balanced interview. Everything can be personalized. Next, choose your interview format. In practice mode, you receive mentor guidance and ideal answers. In mock mode, you'll experience the pressure of sitting in front of a real interview board. Each question appears clearly on the screen. The category is displayed. You receive a prompt asking you to speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Answer the question, record your response, preview it, and once you're ready, submit it. Up to this point, it may feel like a good interview practice platform. But Persona Play's real difference begins the moment you hit submit. Once your practice session is complete, it doesn't just show you a score and stop there. It gives you a detailed analysis of your overall performance. First, you'll see your overall performance summary, a complete overview of how you performed in that session. Then it clearly highlights what you did well and where you need improvement. It doesn't simply say, good job. Instead, it tells you this area needs more attention. You can improve here and provides clear direction for your next step. Next comes the radar chart. With just one glance, you can understand your complete interview personality. Communication, leadership, decision-making, confidence, emotional balance, analytical thinking. Every essential interview trait is scored individually, giving you complete clarity about your strengths and the areas you still need to work on. And that's not all. One of Persona Play's most powerful features is benchmarking. It compares your current performance with the personality traits expected from successful IAS and IPS officers. So you never have to guess where you stand. The data tells you. But interviews aren't only about what you say. How you say it matters just as much. That's why Persona Play also analyzes your voice. Do you speak too fast or too slowly? Do you pause more than necessary? Does your voice reflect confidence? Is your voice steady while speaking? Do you use too many filler words? The AI analyzes each of these aspects individually. And it doesn't stop there. For every issue it identifies, it also tells you how to improve it and what changes you should make before your next session. That's why every practice session becomes more than just practice. It becomes a learning experience that transforms you into a better interview candidate. Have you ever noticed something? Many candidates don't fail the UPSC interview because they lack knowledge. They fail because they struggle to express what they know effectively. A great answer can become ordinary because of poor presentation. And sometimes, even an average answer, when delivered with confidence, clarity, and balance, can leave a powerful impression. That's why knowledge alone isn't enough. How you speak, how you think, how you respond, how you present yourself, all of these matter. And that's exactly what Persona Play helps you discover after every practice session. Where you're strong, where you need improvement, what your next step should be. Everything becomes clear. So after every session, you don't just walk away with feedback. you walk away as a better version of yourself, better prepared for your next interview. If you're preparing for the UPSC interview, practice, analyze yourself, improve with every session. Know yourself before the interview board knows you.
Persona Play, only on Karka AI.